Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Adam here with Indie Farm Life. Today we're going to work on cleaning up and expanding this beach. So we are just now getting into pond weather here, and the beach is looking a little bit ratty. Haven't touched it yet this spring, so I'm going to get the landscape rake out on the tractor, try to clean up what I can. Down there where it gets a little bit soggy, I may have to do most of that by hand, but also going to expand it. So we still have some leftover mason sand from last year when we put the beach in. I think what I'm going to do is, from where this grill slash golf cart is kind of clean up and expand this little triangle section to be part of the beach. So I'll be pulling that board out and setting it back, and kind of move a little bit of rocks. And if you'll remember, when I did the beach previously, I used some big Harbor Freight tarps. Now these aren't cheap, but they are cheaper than buying some of the big heavy duty pond liners or whatever you may put down. I can't remember what I was looking at the time, but they were definitely the cheaper alternative, and a year into it they seem to have held up pretty well. Most of what you're seeing growing here is actually just growing from within the sand. Now they do probably trap more moisture than something permeable would, but it's been all right. Let's get to it. Oh, look out.
Some people call me the space cowboy. Some call me the gangster love. Some people call me Maurice, 'cause I speak of the pompous of love. Some people talking about me, mama, well, they say I'm doing you wrong. But don't you worry now, don't you worry, pretty much.
I wanted to expose the first 10-12 inches of that tarp so I can lay the next tarp over top of it like a shingle. So I'll finish cleaning up this, the other side, and pull these stakes, and then we'll get the new tarp down.
I play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight.
So I was just about ready to throw the tarp in, kind of cut it at the angle. However, thought about it. What am I going to do with a cut tarp later? I think I'm actually just going to square this off, because my tarp is 28 by 39, so I can go basically to the back of the tractor to rake this gravel out of the way and make the beach a whole lot larger. It kind of makes these posts in an odd spot, but you can always add another one there and then kind of have two triangle shades if we wanted. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I don't have enough sand to fill this in, so I'll have to get more, but I do have a couple big things of mason sand over there from when we had the house built, so I'll bring that over too, but probably gonna need another truckload.
I shall show you a good time. 'Cause I'm a picker, I'm a cleaner, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. Play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker. I sure don't wanna hurt no one. 'Cause I'm a picker, I'm a glitter, I'm a lover, and I'm a sinner. I play my music in the sun. I'm a joker, I'm a smoker, I'm a midnight toker, and my loving on the run. Woo, woo.
Two-thirds of that pile anyway. A little left over there. Fair amount of knocking down. What do you think, Otto? Looking pretty good?
Pretty mama, yeah, 'cause I'm right here, right here, right here, right here. Oh, you're the cutest thing I ever did see. I really love your beaches I'ma shake your tree. Lovey-dovey all the time. Ooh, mama, I sure show you a good time. Yeah. Some people talking about me, mama. Well, they say I'm a...
Obviously I'm not done. I probably need one more load of mason sand, maybe a few more boards to round this out, but man, this is becoming a beach fit for a party, I'd say. And it looks a lot better after you run that landscape break through there, pulling out all the greenery. Got a little more on the edges to clean up, but this thing is shaping up. So I'll plan to put together another video of this as I button things up and get that last load of sand. So if you want to see that happen and you're not already a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button, come back and see me sometime, and pack a cooler. He's ready for a beach party. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.